How to run a quick content audit in Marketing Miner? Create a report and use these free tools to help you run a quick content audit on any website. Step 1. Select your target country and choose these free tools. Content analysis to quickly analyze data issues with your title or H1 text, meta descriptions, alt text, content length, number of links, and others. Then we have plagiarism checker to detect duplicate content or to see if anyone else copied your content. And lastly, the broken link checker to find out which internal or external links in your content are broken. Now, let's click on the next step button to continue. Step 2. Now it's time to add your own data. You can either add your URLs manually by simply copy and pasting your list, or import data from a file, enter your sitemap link, or use other external tools such as Google Analytics, Search Console, or Google Sheets. In this case, we will use Google Sheets as a data source for our content audit. Here, we just enter the URL of our spreadsheet, select which column we want to analyze, and how many data rows we wish to skip. Before we import data, let's also rename our report and apply tags so we remember where to find the report later on. And let's import data. Here we see that we imported 163 data rows and the total amount of credits to be charged is 2,934 credits. It all looks fine to me, so let's analyze the data. If you work with large dataset, you don't have to wait until your report is done. You can close the window and we will send you the report by email to let you know when it's ready. Let's take a quick look at the report. In the content analysis tab, you can check its status. The error message appears when we spot a redirect or any other errors. Then you can explore meta descriptions, title or H1 text, title width, and pixels to see if they are too long, number of links, external and internal, number of videos, images, and missing alt text. In Plagiarism Checker, you can quickly check for duplicate content. It shows also other web pages that copy your content and what content has been duplicated. Broken Link Checker is an excellent tool for a quick check if your internal and external links are working. You can filter data by type of links, either external or internal. Look for 404 and other appearing errors, or check the anchor text to see if there is anything you need to change. And that's it! You can now either download all your data and work with them further in your own spreadsheet, or use this dashboard for a quick overview.